Kami po lahat ay very close. Every Sunday po, hindi pwedeng may trabaho. As a family, lahat ng meetings wala, and we have our lunch together. Up to now, alam nyo, tama ito eh. This is a gathering about great is thy faithfulness. Sa totoo lang, I'm always guided by this. Always. It's about faith in whatever things you do. Our family has been through a lot. Tama po si Brother Jimmy. I have been a councilor, a mayor. I have been a Metro Manila congressman, MMDA chairman, and that was the time of COVID. Yung panahon ng COVID, mabigat po yun because you have to balance life and business and the economy. Magsasarado ka ba o hindi? Lockdown ka ba o hindi? And then I became a DILG secretary. Marami yung hamon, I will tell you. Napakaraming hamon. That's why I always read this verse. It's, the Lord is good. He is your refuge in times of trouble. Every time may problema ako, I always call out to my mom, to my daughter, and of course, to the dear Lord. That is why I would like to thank you, because our government should be centered on God. That's the only way. Okay? So sa inyo pong lahat, sorry kung napahaba ko, mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat mga pastor ng Kalakhang, Maynila.